They say life begins at the end of your comfort zone, but what if the ending is just the beginning of another comfort zone? Introducing Shaw Street, L6 student accommodation in Liverpool. This remarkable property offers a range of elegant studios and one-bedroom apartments designed to make your academic life sensational, exceptional, and comfortable. Each room is fully furnished with a cozy bed, dedicated study space, a capacious wardrobe, and ample storage to keep your life well organized. Shaw Street L6 enjoys the luxury of a strategic location, surrounded by a variety of dining, shopping, and entertainment options, making it an excellent choice for students seeking accessibility and convenience. What's more, this prime locale places you within arm's reach of prestigious institutions like the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University, making it an ideal choice for those pursuing their academic journey. And when Wanderlust calls, 2 bus stops just down the street offer you a key to explore every nook and cranny of Liverpool. So go on, explore, and fall in love with this vibrant city. Head over at amberstudent.com and secure your spot today, because your next adventure begins right here.